We've set aside a small portion of floor space here in this back area of our shop where we can build high quality furniture pieces as well as whatever custom creations for our already existing commercial and residential cabinet projects. This is clearly not what we want. You can see everything spread about because it doesn't have its own place. This is not a very organized environment, and so it can't stay organized. A little more organized, but still not what we're looking for. So the next area we need to consider in our organization of this shop is our miter saw table. I need a space where I can cut with the miter saw, where I can lay my materials out, and where I can measure them and cut them to precise measurements. That space is vital space that we need for storage. So do I use it up with a miter saw stand? That's going to take a lot of space. What if we could combine the miter saw and the storage? So I'm going to sketch up some ideas because I think we can achieve it. These are the cabinet parts for the new miter saw table.
Are you having it?
Yep, I'm recording it.
You want to see what before and after?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put it together. I'm getting video. I'm getting video. Here.
Oh, me?
Look at those muscles. That's muscles, man.
Muscle man.
Muscle man. Putting this together. For optimum organization, I'm storing anything that would go out on an install on the left-hand side. Tools that the shop guys may need to use are going to go on the top right, and the bottom right is just for uncommon or rarely used items, for now. Oh, and that area above the whole unit there, eventually I'm going to make that a backlit plexiglass box for branding purposes. I needed to figure out where to clip those inside corners, so I grabbed some of my Festool boxes that made up the height, at least close enough, marked them, and sat there for a minute and thought, what do I have here in the shop that I could use to cover this with? And I remembered I had this really nice clear fur from a previous commercial job setting back there. This is all the leftover. So I went and grabbed it, and here we go. There's that little portion of the wall that sticks out, well, the panel that sticks out on the left side. Had to make a notch around that. You can see this product is a really nice clear Douglas fir, tongue and groove. So it worked really easy. Just cut it, snapped it right into place. Still need to make a base for the saw, so just grabbed a piece of plywood, cut it, covered it with the same Douglas fir material, and put the same edge on it. Then I had to get down on my knees to figure out where to locate it up and down and in and out. Needed to make sure, of course, that everything was level and smooth all the way across from the left to the right and clear across the top of the saw. All right, super excited. My aluminum track came for my miter saw fence. I've got all the pieces here, all the hardware. Getting ready to go ahead and set it up. I've got 96 inches of track for the left side, 96 inches here, plus the extra distance between where this starts and the center of the saw blade cut gives me almost 9 feet of cut length on the left. But we're gonna go ahead and set this up and take a look at it. Over the past couple of years, I've searched the internet off and on to try to find some kind of a small shop miter saw fence like this. Didn't have any luck until recently. Well, what I was looking for was something sturdy, easy to install, something accurate. I wanted something with a set stop, and this one has 2, so that's perfect. I also wanted something that was taller than an inch, and this one's 4 inches. That's going to allow me to work with bigger material. So after searching a while, I finally found this product online. It's from a company called Woodhaven. I'll leave a link in the description down below, of course. But I paid $200 for this kit and came with the 2 48-inch track sections. Came with a measuring tape with a sticky back. Came with 2 set stops and all of the hardware. You'll notice I'm wearing my meta glasses. Well, I had some what I thought was great footage of the whole installation process, but I was up too close and had a bad angle. Couldn't use the footage. With the kit, we also get the 2 measuring tapes with adhesive back to go along the track. You know, what they show is it on top, but there's nothing to put on top. But I'm going to put it here because it just literally reads by the stop like that. So wherever you line up, that's where it goes. So there's 2 because this, if you look, is reading left to right, meaning it would go on this side of the fence if we were over there. This one, if you look, is reading right to left. 1, 2, 3, and so on. That's for this side of the fence. Even though it was nice of them to give us these, I bought some others on Amazon, and I'll show you why. I got this kit from Amazon. Of course, I'm using the right to left. See how it's counting backwards? But the reason I got this tape is because it also incorporates millimeters. Not often do we use millimeters, but sometimes we do. I just wanted to have the option. All right, next thing I'm going to do is take some acetone to this surface just to make sure it's dust-free. This sticks really well. The installation of this fence wasn't that difficult, but the instructions were just, like many things, they just weren't good, so I had to kind of figure it out on my own. If any of you plan to buy this product, and I do recommend it, and would like me to do an installation video, just put it in the comments down below, and I think we could make it happen. All we do now is stick that nut in the track like that, and then this tightens it up to lock it. What's the purpose of these two stops? Maybe you already know. Got our square stop here, pork chop stop here. Got the Diesel brothers, a couple of shops over, and they can't just drive by. They have to lay on it. Let's say I want two stops, two settings. I've got this setting at, say, 36 inches, and I've got another setting at 27 inches, and I'm using them repeatedly. Well, I could flip this up, and notice it's got that nice plastic rest, so it doesn't go all the way over and I have to reach for it. Up, down, stands up there nice and easily. That's great. So I could come in here and cut my 36-inch piece, but if I wanted my 27-inch piece, I could come up here. But if I want to make it quick and easy, because of the shape of this, if I want a 36-inch piece, just come in right underneath it, push against it, pops up, there we go. Drop it, come down, and we have our shorter cut. I'm anxious and excited to use this. I'm going to try a couple of settings here and see what I can get. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like always, don't forget, and please, like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. And make sure you're getting notifications. I've got a really cool work table project coming up. It's going to be one of the most functional tables I've ever seen. It'll be the Ninja table and have a lot of really neat joinery in it. So make sure to check back.